but I actually do look fresh. Okay, all right, happy Tuesday, ladies and gentlemen. How is your Tuesday? I hope everyone is doing amazing and wonderful. I know I didn't post last week because I have some exciting news to actually share with you guys, and you guys just have to wait a little tiny bit for me to carry on with the exciting news. But on my last video that I posted, I said I was going to explain to you guys the meaning of basic and simple, but my terms for basic and simple refer to imply to fashion. As human beings, okay, we always have to label things. We always have to give object names. If there's no name, we always have to find a way to actually name something as a thing, or that thing, that time, that thing. So when it comes to simple fashion or basic fashion, it's just a name. That's how I see it. Okay, that's how I see it. But you know, I know a lot of YouTubers, including myself, we always like to say, oh, this is how you should dress, this is the meaning, this is how you should dress for simple, this is how you should dress for basic. But let me tell you something, in my logical explanation right here, right now, there is no such thing as simple or basic. It's just a thing that we always labelize. It's just a thing that we always categorize and just give it a name. That's what it means. Okay, just because it seems simple to me doesn't mean it's simple to you. Just because someone dressed looking all basic doesn't mean it's basic to them. So that's my explanation. Just because I'm here and my other video I said, oh, simple and basic outfit, does it actually imply that it's simple and basic? In the perfect universal world, okay, universal world that we live in, to me, I see simple as something that you classify, or you thought the meaning is, or you see it the way that you want to see it. We human, we are not meant to be the same. We are not meant to be equal. We are not meant to have the same outcome, but we have the knowledge of it, we have the thought of it. So when they say simple fashion, from what I personally understand, there's no such thing as simple fashion, there's no such thing as basic fashion. It just depends on how your point of view actually imply on what you want to wear. And also one thing though, like, just because I say, oh, this is simple or this is basic, doesn't technically mean it's simple or basic. It just depends on how you actually manipulate, how you actually layer your clothing, how you balance the colors. And I talk about this on my video. Like, I'm showing you guys all these pictures, like, you know, these pictures you guys are seeing of my own stuff. I might consider this as basic, but you might consider this not basic. I might think of this as something very simple, but you might think of it, no, that's not something simple. You took time to actually make it work. So what I'm trying to say is that there's no such thing as simple and basic. It just depends on how you see it. Okay, it just depends. Glory. Okay, it just depends on how you see it, and it just depends on how you want to imply on whatever that you want to imply. So that's my explanation of simple. It's not about what I'm telling you is simple. It's not about what I'm saying that is basic. It's all about how you feel about it. It's all about what you think about it. Okay, don't let me sit here and tell you, oh, this is how this goes. No, at the end of the day, I'm not dressing for you, I'm dressing for me, and you are doing the same thing. You're not dressing for me, you are dressing for yourself. So who am I to tell you what is simple or what is basic? It's just the knowledge of it, it's just the idea of it, or it's just an inspiration of it. But at the end of the day, in the fashion term, on my understanding, there's no such thing as simple. It's just how you want to see it, how we love to labelize stuff. That's what I think of it. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me showing you guys pictures and trying to explain as much as possible for you guys to understand there's no such thing as simple. It's just the name, it's just the idea of it, and it's just the basic concept of human nature. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Oh, before I close it, I tell you guys I have some amazing news, right? As you guys gotta be watching this, you guys seeing this. All right, we are going on our second trip. Okay, this video of me now, like I'm already almost halfway there, and I'm not gonna tell you guys where I'm going. You guys just gonna have to wait and see when I come back. But I'm taking our first trip together. You guys gonna see the pictures, but if you want to see it in advance before I come back home and edit everything, follow me on TikTok. Literally follow me on TikTok. I have Instagram, but I mean Snapchat, but I don't post as much as I post on TikTok, but I will try to post on Snap and TikTok. If you guys want to literally get a heads up on where I will be going today, which is Tuesday the 12th, okay, Tuesday the 12th, just follow me on Instagram. Follow me, you will see pretty much a lot of it before I actually come back and do the whole editing. So that's all the good news I have for you guys. We're taking our second trip, and I'm super excited, and I can't wait to come and show you guys all the amazing stuff that actually happened and all the good things that actually happened. So I'll see you guys on my next video. Actually, my next video meaning on Saturday, which I'm not even gonna be here, but you guys gonna be seeing it, right? I'm so excited. Know that Fala love you, but she does not love you as much as you love yourself. Be safe, be fashionable. Please, all the students out there, happy education in advance. I hope you guys are having an amazing Tuesday. I'll see you guys on Saturday.